Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, we'll discuss the best online gigs that might put you on the path to financial independence. These side gigs are great for everyone, whether you're a full-time student, a stay-at-home parent, or an employee. The first hustle is anonymous Instagram. One common misconception is that one must be an influencer who posts photos of themselves to have a large following on Instagram. A significant portion of the over $250,000 I've spent on Instagram could have benefited you had you been operating what are known as Instagram theme page. To create a theme page on Instagram, one selects a certain area of interest, such as business, and then posts anonymous photographs that provide helpful information relevant to that area. Here's an example of a business-focused theme page that attracted over 700,000 likes. You may be wondering how you may turn this hobby into a profitable business. Basically, businesses and individuals selling goods will contact you direct messages, offering to buy shout-outs on your account. You get paid for making an endorsement on that page, which is called a shout-out. Many of the people who run these theme pages are people I know personally, and they make tens of thousands of dollars per month without ever having to be an influencer or public figure. They are also widely dispersed geographically. It makes no difference where you are for this purpose. If you know how to create an Instagram account, you may be able to make a living doing this. I have a friend in India, for instance. He goes on for more than 20 pages without so much as an introduction. I've paid a number of shoutouts to promote my own Instagram account, which is how I know folks who are engaging in this practice. The reason I'm willing to shell out cash for endorsements on these platforms is so that I can raise awareness of and interest in my YouTube course devoted to mastering monetization. If you're still intrigued, you're undoubtedly wondering, how do I actually grow my account to get hundreds of thousands or millions of followers? One of the persons I know who is involved in this field shared with me the following as his top 3 strategies for rapidly expanding a social media following. First, he recommended updating your page between once per day to 3 times per day with a variety of content types, including direct images, short films, reels, short vertical videos, and various tales. The second piece of advice was to duplicate successful material. You may, for example, visit popular pages in your field and then casually scroll through your posts to determine the typical number of likes they receive. Say there are 5,000 likes each post on average, and then you come across an image that has over 10,000 likes and becomes a viral sensation. Use that as a template for your page's featured image. You may also search for your expertise on Instagram's Explore page to locate posts that have gone popular. The third strategy is to pay for promotion on other popular websites, and you may supplement your income by doing so by promoting affiliate products on sites like ClickBank and Digistore24. You can increase your page's revenue by listing your account on shoutcart.com and selling shoutouts there. The second hustle is buying and selling donated goods. Now, you've definitely heard of flipping, in which a product is purchased at one price and then resold, ideally at a profit, at a higher one. Well, you can go all the way to the extreme and obtain stuff for nothing. So, you want to make more money, but you need free things to sell. Where can I get free products to sell? The free parts of websites like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist can be a great location to find local things that you can get for free and then resell on sites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. I did this when I was a teenager, and it was a good way to earn some spending money. Thus, I am confident in the success of this plan. However, because I was also attempting to run YouTube channels and try out all these different side hustles, I didn't really go all in doing this, so I didn't make as much as I could have. The third hustle is thrift store shopping. Thirdly, you can use Etsy as a side business without selling anything. You may already be familiar with Etsy. It's a virtual flea market where people sell their own creations manufactured in their own kitchens. What you might not know about Etsy though is that You can sell anything there even if you've never made anything yourself. In addition, you don't need any expertise to perform this. I can almost hear you saying, "I need an example of this. I have my doubts." For instance, this particular Etsy store has made over 300,000 purchases by offering downloadable artwork and photographs. Multiplying 300,000 by the typical order value for whatever it is will yield a sizable sum. The best part is that they don't have to spend money on shipping or any other form of fulfillment because they simply message the buyer with a link to a printed version of the photo they purchased. The next logical question is, where can I find free art to get so I don't have to pay a bunch of money to then sell it on Etsy? Arttv.com, Unsplash, Morchfile, Pixabay, and Google Image Search are just a few places you can look to obtain images that are in the public domain and hence free to use. Make sure that the license allows you to use it for commercial reasons though, because this will be a source of income. The fourth hustle is blogging. Blogging can be highly effective even in the present day. Many bloggers are successfully monetizing their sites. Here's an example. Lauren and Alex founded the health blog called Avocado and eventually built it to a six-figure annual revenue stream. They subsequently expanded their efforts by starting another site called Create and Go, in which they detail their financial success as bloggers. First, you need to settle on a specific market segment. The best niches are those that focus on people's well-being, whether that's through health, wealth, happiness, relationships, technology, or travel. Next, you conduct keyword analysis to determine what subjects will yield the most traffic. You can use free resources like Ubersuggest or Ask the Public to get ideas for what to write about. Then, you should only produce high-quality, original pieces that are between 2,000 and 4,000 words in length. And if you don't know how to code or do anything technical, don't worry. There are amazing hosting companies like WPX Hosting that integrate with WordPress to make your blog. Then, all you need is a professional quality WordPress theme. Take the Astra theme as an example. Additionally, WordPress allows for the incorporation of add-ons or plugins. Yoast is a great plugin because it allows you to enter keywords that you want to rank for. Writing a large number of articles on topics with a high search volume and low competition will eventually lead to your blog posts appearing in search engines' results pages. Your blog is where they will go to find it. Your next question is undoubtedly, that's great, but how do I actually make money doing this? Put advertisements on your site, such as those provided by Google AdSense, to generate income. Affiliate marketing is another option. You may be wondering, how much money can I make doing this? Well, there are blogs that make millions upon millions of dollars annually, but these blogs have often been profitable for many years. If you're thinking about doing this, my advice is to start laying the groundwork now so that you may reap the benefits later and monetize your site. I showed you a site run by a couple named Alex and Lauren. Each year, they earn close to $300,000 from it. The President of the United States makes little more than that per year. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by moving a slide bar. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.